business grows and evolves. Just like cities where ideas and innovation take shape, two seemingly distant worlds, yet united by a perfect balance, human work and technology that turns vision into reality. Today, progress meets nature. Debont combines tradition and advanced technology to create agricultural, forestry, and livestock machinery that optimizes work while respecting the environment. A company with a global vision, driven by innovation and continuous research. In our facilities, engineering takes shape. Every detail is designed to ensure efficiency, durability, and top performance. From design to reality, our solutions enhance the productivity of those who work the land, streamline processes, and increase yield. We work with nature respectfully. We build the future with technology.